Everyone, there are 360 degrees in a circle. Where did this number come from? Well, it's generally believed that it goes back to the Babylonians, and it comes from the number of days in a year. Now, they knew that there were 365 and a quarter days in a year, but working with this awkward number would be horrendous, so they decided, let's round it off to an easier number. But if you had to round off 365 and a quarter to an easier number, what number would you round it to? You could make it 365, make it a whole number, or make it a multiple of 10. But the nearest multiple of 10 to 365 and a quarter is 370. They chose to round down to 360. Why? Because 360 has a lot of factors. It's divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20. It's divisible by a lot of things. 370 doesn't have that many factors. Now, remember 360 is based on us being on Earth. Martians would probably say there are 670 degrees in a circle because there's roughly 670 Martian days in a Martian year. But these are awkward numbers. It'd be much more natural to have a natural way of measuring an angle. And that's what radian measure is. 1 radian is defined as an angle that is equivalent to 1 radius of a circle. There are 2 pi radians in a circle. Pi radians, 180 degrees, is half the circle. It's much easier to work with radians and degrees when you're doing real mathematics. Bye.